Welcome to TotTube! The school bell goes missing mysteriously. Alex notices strange shadows around the school. Uncle Jorden helps.
Hey, wait up! Did you finish the science homework?
Yeah, it was easy. See you in class. Well, my tater.
Whoa! Where'd the bell go?
It just disappeared.
That was magic!
Teacher, look! The morning bell is gone!
Gone? But where could it be?
Hey, Alex.
How are you doing today? I'm good, Uncle Jorden. How about you?
This bell has been here for 50 years. When you tap it just right, it sends a vibration all the way down the hall.
So that's how everyone knows when to go home.
I see how it works now.
There we go, all set! There's the bell. See you inside. Hi, friends. Did you enjoy the story? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell to see our next adventure. See you next time on TotTube.